Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? Okay, so this is just going to be another part where I'm just going to be ranting about social issues as usual. So this one is basically about the Sialkot incident. I was actually intending to write a whole detailed article about this to be published in leading newspapers, but I just feel like maybe the news publications are a tad bit scared and nervous about posting controversial content. So therefore, it didn't get published, but that won't stop me from getting my words out there. So this is my two pence on this incident, the unfortunate incident that took place in Sialkot. But basically, what I was intending to write was that just nearing the end of yet another year, with the world, half of the world making strides in space exploration, yet we stand here again at the cusp of 2022, and with the same bloody issues. Alleged blasphemy. The Sialkot factory manager was lynched because he had directed his factory workers to remove posters that had Arabic scriptures, religious scriptures on them, and the mob obviously very unapologetically thrashed him, killed him, and then burned him because that made them save their faith, apparently, allegedly. So the point is, so the person who was protecting him said that this was the factory manager didn't even know how to read Urdu or Arabic or whatever. So he literally had no idea. It was not done in malice, but obviously forgiveness is a virtue which is so rare that the guy had to pay the price with his life. And it was horrific while it was. It just goes on to show that none of us are really safe. We're all one alleged blasphemy, alleged robbery away from being lynched and killed. And then obviously there will be vigils, there will be muzammat hoegi, there will be a lot of tweets, Twitterati will go insane. You will probably start getting you'll start trending on Facebook, and then we're all just one tragedy away, and then another, and then another. People will forget, and then people will move on to another tragedy, and that's how your case basically gets buried. And even if something is done in broad daylight, the justice system, let's be honest, has just failed this country so miserably. Like, for example, the Noor Muqaddam case, yes, the proceedings are happening, but what is happening? Let's be honest. Just like the Shahzeb Khan case, I think this too will just get buried in the midst of so many other cases. So justice delayed is indeed justice denied. And in recent photographic memory, Kandil Baloch didn't get justice. Noor Muqaddam will probably not get justice. Shahzeb Khan didn't get justice. So, I mean, to say that maybe part of the problem is the fact that the justice proceedings take so long that people have started taking direct vigilante action against anything. So, for example, in Sialkot in 2010, when those two brothers, were allegedly stealing, and the entire mob surrounded them and lynched them to death. So why does lynching happen? It happens because people have lost all faith in the justice system. They know that कोर्ट कचहरी के मामलों में तो इतना टाइम लगेगा, इससे बेहतर ये नहीं है कि अभी ही लेट्स जस्ट गेट रिमीडियल एक्शन instantly, because instant gratification is something that these guys love, right? So the point is, it's just so disappointing to see cases like this popping up. Or mentality की problem है. I'm sure there will be many people who are actually applauding the murder of that factory manager, not realizing that he has a family, he was a foreign worker, he had a degree, he worked his butt off to get where he was, and everybody's just trying to make their place in this world. And then, true or not, he was lynched, he was killed, and yes, you can condemn the action, yes, you can provide his family with the bliss of rewards and money and stipend now, but the point is the guy is gone, and that sucks, but it is what it is. Or the biggest problem that I have with this particular incident is that kaum to sudharne wali hai nahi. this incident has happened today. Yes, people will condemn it, but tomorrow it will happen again. It will happen again. Let's be honest, it will. So that's something that's rather troublesome. So yeah, besides that, I just wanted to say that it's really sad to see incidents like this being repeated year after year with no lesson being learned. कहने को, yes, we can all tweet about it, but even the policymakers, even Imran Khan has pledged that he's going to take action against this and provide justice in this case. But preemptive action kya hai? What is stopping anyone from doing this again? Nothing. There should be some curtailing policy. There needs to be a law set in place that if you lynch anybody, if you take justice in your own hands, there needs to be a penalty for this. There needs to be a deterrent in place, because if that's not there, then what's stopping you, me, or anyone from targeting the minorities? It sucks. And it's rather, annoying to me that a point like this is being made by me and not anybody else, because पता नहीं हो क्या गया है. What are the policy makers even up to? What are they thinking? What are they? अगर हर किसी को अपनी सीट की पड़ी हुई है तो फिर तो हो गया काम, फिर तो हो गया इस मुल्क का. कुछ नहीं हो सकता. The policies need to be revamped, modified, and then only can something positive happen. But yeah, until then, rather on a dismal note, goodbye.